Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review VigRX. Okay, so is this brand legit? You should take this supplement or not? Does it really work, and how much time it will take to give you results? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this supplement, this supplement is related to male power. Okay, male erection enhancement, or you can say like erectile dysfunction related problems, or male power, basically mardana takat. In India we can say mardana takat. Okay, so you should take the supplement. It's a really worthy product, or it's just another waste of money product. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand is approx 26 years from now. Okay, and they are also available on Trustpilot with on an average ratings. But if we talk about the presentation and the product and all, each and everything is really good, and each and everything is looking like really good, and they are looking like legit. Okay, now let's talk about you should take this supplement or not. So basically, when you buy this supplement on the official website, you will get starter pack, and you can also choose like tablets, you can also choose like wipes and all. But if we talk about like wipes, so basically wipes are temporary solution. If you want to boost your sexual desire, if you want to boost your erection and all, so the medication like the tablets or capsules is really effective. Okay, so if we talk about like why VigRX Plus is a tablet in the form of tablet, this is a really good supplement, and you can check out the ingredient they are using. The ingredient is really, you can say like, amazing. In India, these all ingredients are very powerful, like Damiana and Marijuana and Epi medium and all. So these all ingredients are very powerful. When you take this supplement, it will really boost your sexual desire and all. Okay, so yes, you can take the supplement, and the results, if we talk about like results, how much time it will take approx like 20 to 30 days, and after 20 to 30 days you will see lots of change in your body. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care. And if we talk about like negative reviews, or we can like on an average ratings, so as I already told you, when you take the supplement, it will not give you results overnight. It will take lots of time, like approx 30 days or 40 days. You have to consistently take the supplement for 30 to 40 days, then you will see lots of change. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions, please make a comment, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.